Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, the Meryl Diaries. Today in this video we're going to be creating a PDF with a clickable link or a hyperlink. If you've been following me for any amount of time, you know that I love Canva, so we're going to be doing this inside of canva.com. I also want to tell you that it does not work with JPEG or PNG, so it has to be a PDF. So you may have a freebie or an invitation or a resume that you're including in a document that you want whoever's opening it to be able to click on an alternative website or an email address. Up until recently, Canva didn't have the functionality to hyperlink an email address, but they've since gotten it. They're always updating their features and what they offer. So to keep it simple today, I'm just going to choose a simple design that already has an email and a website in the template, just for the sake of time. I think I'm going to do a resume. That's kind of a big thing now. You know, you have a lot of creative people who are taking jobs like social media managers, and usually they like to show their work. So sometimes they will include their own social media hyperlink or their own website. So the first thing that we're going to do is click on Create a Design up at the top left. And I'm just going to type in resume. I'm going to try to find a simple one that already has an email and a site included. So minimalist resume, we'll choose that one. I'm going to just increase the size of it so that you can see it clearly. And it does have an email and a website listed. So I'm going to ungroup these, and I'm going to move the website under the social media manager title. So to do that, you just go up to the top and click on ungroup, and then you can click anywhere and move it around. So the next thing I'm going to do is add my own web address. Okay, so now that we have the web address added, we are going to come over to the top, click on the three dots, select the link in the drop down, type in the email address, and then select apply. And select the link and apply. I'm going to do the same thing for the email address. Click the three buttons, the link, add the web address, and click apply. I'll do it one more time. Three buttons, add the email address, apply it to the box. So now, guys, we're just going to come up to the top, click on the arrow to download, and we're going to download as a PDF. So now that it has downloaded it as a PDF, and go and check it out. So I use Adobe Acrobat, so it'll usually ask you if you trust the document, and you can see that it opens up into my email address. Next, we are going to test out the website link. So we'll go back to our PDF and click on the web address. Again, allow for Adobe Acrobat. And then, as you can see, it opens up into my site. So that, friends, is how you create a PDF with a hyperlink using Canva. If this video was helpful to you, don't forget to like it, leave me a comment, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss any tech or Canva tutorials. As always, thanks for watching. Straight up, 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 straight up,